Welcome to the Syncoro Startup Show with Kashyap Pandya, the show where we break down the startup world with the perfect mix of drama, sarcasm, and Bollywood level overacting. You know, starting a startup is like starring in a Bollywood blockbuster, full of hope, dreams, struggle, heartbreak, betrayal, and if you're lucky, a happy ending with an IPO dance sequence. But let's be real, for most founders, it's less like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and more like Gangs of Wasipur. Two parts, never ending chaos and a lot of unpaid bills. Act 1, the Karan Johar startup dream. Every founder starts their journey like a Karan Johar hero, full of dreams, ambition, and overconfidence that can only be matched by Uday Chopra in a lead role. Founder on day 1 with Shah Rukh Khan level confidence. मुझे दुनिया बदलनी है. I have the next big idea. My startup will be the next unicorn. Then reality hits, and suddenly your Shah Rukh Khan turns into Abhishek Bachchan in Drona. Customers don't show up, your bank balance drops faster than Race's box office collection, and investors reject you faster than Bollywood rejects talented outsiders. Moral of the story? Every startup founder starts as Raj from EDLJ, but by the end of year 1, they are looking more like Amitabh Bachchan in Diwar, screaming, मेरे पास माँ भी नहीं है और फंडिंग भी नहीं है. Act 2, fundraising, the Bollywood wedding proposal. Let's talk about fundraising. Oh yes, the startup equivalent of Bollywood arranged marriage. You dress up, rehearse your lines, and go to the VC like it's a wedding proposal scene from Viva. Founder, nervously pitching like Salman in Tere Naam. Sir, my startup is disruptive, scalable, AI driven, and full of exponential potential. Investors like Amrish Puri in DDLJ. मुझे इस रिश्ते में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. Founder then desperate like Govinda in Kuli number 1. Sir, at least consider हम प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट दिखाएंगे. Investors, बेटा, first get traction, get revenue, and also, can you be profitable from day 1? Founder's brain is like, bhai, if I was profitable from day 1, why would I need you? VCs are like Bollywood heroes. They only chase after you once you're already successful. So unless you're making Tiger Shroff level revenue jumps, don't expect them to take you seriously. Act 3, the co-founder drama, your own K3G family feud. Now let's talk about co-founders. Because startups, my friends, are not solo movies. They are multi-starrer family sagas. At first, everything is perfect. You and your co-founder are like Jerry Viru from Sholay. Founder 1 would say, भाई तू टैग देख लेना, मैं fundraising raise कर लूंगा. Founder 2, भाई तू vision देखना, मैं execution कर लूंगा. Fast forward 6 months. Founder 1 would angrily like Ranbir Kapoor in ए दिल मुश्किल, भाई तू सिर्फ बातें करता है, काम मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. Whereas Founder 2 would say, overacting like Anil Kapoor in Race, भाई तू मुझे credit क्यों नहीं देता है? And before you know it, your startup turns into a full K3G family feud. Investors take sides, employees panic, and soon the only exit strategy left is, bro, या तू निकल या मैं. Lesson? Choose your co-founders wisely, or risk being the Shahid Kapoor to their Kareena. Once together, now awkwardly avoiding each other at tech conferences. Act 4, the pivot. When your startup flops like a remake. You know what's worse than struggling? Watching your startup fail in slow motion, like a remake of an old Bollywood classic that nobody asked for. Founder 1, sir, we launched an AI-powered fashion marketplace. Investors would say, bhai, but where is the traction? Founder, okay, fine. Now we are pivoting to a Web3-enabled AI-powered NFT-based supply chain SaaS solution. Investor would say, बस नाम बदलने से पिक्चर हिट नहीं होती मेरे भाई. And that's when you realize startups don't die. They just keep rebranding until someone finally funds them. Bollywood lesson. Startups that survive are like Salman Khan movies. Makes no sense, but somehow keeps making money. The climax, the dream of the IPO dance sequence. But after all the struggle, fights, and heartbreak, some startups make it. They become successful, and suddenly they are the Shah Rukh Khan of Dalal Street. Founders, now rich, sexing like Alia Bhatt in RRR. कहा था ना एक दिन करोड़ों कमाएंगे. Investors now chasing you like Simran running to catch the train in DDLJ. भाई, अगले राउंड में हमें भी एंट्री दे दो. Final lesson. Startups are like Bollywood movies. The ones that succeed aren't always the best. They are just the ones that refuse to flop. And that's a wrap on today's episode of the Syncolo Startup Show with Kashyap Pandya. If you like this, share it with a fellow entrepreneur who is stuck in a never-ending startup remake. And remember, your startup is only one pivot away from being the next Bollywood blockbuster. Until next time, keep hustling, keep pivoting, and may your funding rounds be more successful than a Rohit Shetty film.